In this video, I'm going to tell you about Facebook. You know, FB, Facebook, you listen from your family members or from your grandchildren or children. If you are young, so you need to learn Facebook, what is a Facebook, and how your father or mother is doing on Facebook, why the number of people spend more time on Facebook. There are a number of reasons. You, whatever age group, you need to have your profile. Like if you have something in entry in party or exhibition or hall or some invitation over there, what do you need to there? Your identification, your entry pass over there. So Facebook is a entry pass for social medium, and it's connect with a number of people and enable to connect with a number of learning platform, playing games, connect with people, chit chat, and enjoy what the other people are doing there, social activities and their professional activities as well. Different groups of people buying, sale and marketing, and number of things. What you need to do, create your Facebook profile. For this digital literacy course is all about that. If you have a Facebook page, like I have also a Facebook page, even Rehan Alawala and Rehan Foundation have their network. They all people are there on Facebook. If you are not yet at Facebook, so create your account from your email address, and your email address will be have a Gmail, Hotmail or any account. If you do not know how to create an email, we have previously create a course in Rehan training how to create a Gmail account. You learn from there, and also create your account from YouTube or search there. So Facebook is one of the best platforms to connecting with the people and get the idea of something that you can easily connect with the people. You can connect with me and chat with me about this course or number of other courses and discuss the ideas and learning from me and more about your social and things there. You can create a profile for as a professional use, as a business use, and number of things. So in this time of period, we need to connect with a Facebook as an amazing platform for social and involving in another pace. So create and upload your photos, wonderful memories, and celebrate your everything over there and share with your friends and family, and keep connecting on Facebook. Yes, waiting for the next video. I'm still excited. Let's move on. Thank you.